Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to print header on all pages in Excel. Like and subscribe, support this channel, let's get started. By default, Excel prints a document with a header only on the first page and doesn't even display table cells. But we will fix this. And how to print part of the document in Excel, watch this video. So let's add a header to each page when printing. Go to the Page Layout tab. Next, select Print Titles in the Page Setup section. In the Row to Repeated Top field, specify the row that contains the table header. Click on it and select the first row. The dashed line will show that we have selected this row. Click OK. After completing these steps, let's check if the headers have been added. Go to File, Print, and as you can see, the table headers are now visible on each sheet. It remains only to click Print. That's all. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.